The buzz around Jerusalem's third temple took an unexpected turn with a shocking update. The rebuilding location changed. But when will this temple stand? And why does it matter globally? And with its location potentially shifting, how might this impact the ongoing tensions over the Temple Mount? In this video, we'll explore the complexities of this monumental site, from its historical roots to its spiritual implications. The Third Temple carries immense importance for the Jewish community, standing as a symbol of profound spiritual significance, historical reverence, and cultural identity. If it were to be constructed, it would hold an unparalleled position as the holiest place for Jews worldwide, marking a pivotal connection to prophecies surrounding the messianic age. Throughout Jewish tradition, temples are viewed as the very abode of God. Both Solomon's temple and its successor, known as Herod's temple or the Second Temple, held extraordinary importance in the religious customs and beliefs of the Jewish people. These sacred structures were more than just physical edifices. They symbolized a direct and intimate link between the Jewish community and their divine creator. Solomon's temple, erected centuries ago, was a testament to the close relationship between the Jewish people and their God. However, it faced destruction, leading to a period of longing and hope for the reconstruction of a new sanctuary. The Second Temple, meticulously crafted under King Herod's patronage, continued the legacy of being a center for worship, spiritual communion, and cultural practices. The longing for the Third Temple goes beyond physical construction. It embodies the aspirations and yearnings of the Jewish community for a renewed connection with their spiritual heritage. The prophecy entwined with this construction speaks of an era heralded by the arrival of the Messiah, a figure central to Jewish beliefs, signifying an age of redemption and harmony. This longing for the Third Temple is not merely about a physical structure. It transcends into a cultural and spiritual heartbeat of Judaism. It represents the deepest aspirations of the Jewish people to restore a divine presence in their lives and rekindle the spiritual link that the previous temples so profoundly represented. While the physical aspect of the Third Temple is essential, its significance stretches far beyond the tangible walls and architecture. It embodies the spiritual core of Jewish identity, carrying the hopes, dreams, and heritage of a community eager to once again experience that intimate connection with the divine. In today's world, discussions about the Third Temple continue to evoke passion, stirring conversations among scholars, religious leaders, and the wider Jewish community. Its construction remains an emblematic concept that embodies the rich tapestry of Jewish history, spirituality, and aspirations for a future where the divine presence will once again reside among the people. The endeavor to reconstruct the Third Temple in Jerusalem faces a labyrinth of complexities and obstacles, intricately woven into the historical, religious, and geopolitical tapestry of the region. At the heart of these challenges lie disputes over the Temple Mount's location, fueled by centuries of historical transitions, conflicting claims, and diverse archaeological theories concerning the original site of the temple. The Temple Mount stands as a pivotal location, steeped in religious significance for multiple faiths. This sacred ground holds an aura of historical enigma, contributing to the ongoing debates and disputes. Archaeological findings and interpretations regarding the precise spot of the ancient temples further intensify the complexities surrounding the location. Adding to the intricacies, the emergence of Islam played a transformative role in the Temple Mount's narrative. With the inception of Islam, the construction of two monumental structures, the Al-Aqsa Mosque and the Dome of the Rock, sanctified the area, elevating it as the third holiest site in Islam after Mecca and Medina. This Islamic influence solidified the region's significance for Muslims worldwide, adding layers of religious sanctity and cultural heritage. The existence of these revered Islamic structures on the Temple Mount intensifies the complexities surrounding any discussions of rebuilding the Third Temple, The presence of the Al-Aqsa Mosque and the Dome of the Rock stands not just as architectural marvels, but as deeply ingrained symbols of Islamic faith and history. The historical and religious weight associated with these Islamic structures creates a multifaceted scenario, intertwining archaeological claims, religious sentiments, and geopolitical sensitivities. Any attempt or proposal to build the Third Temple encounters the challenge of navigating these intricacies delicately, considering the deeply held beliefs and sentiments of multiple communities. The discussions revolving around the Temple Mount location and the conflicting claims regarding its historical significance continue to shape the contemporary narrative. The complexities extend beyond mere disagreements over archaeological evidence. They encapsulate profound spiritual connections and centuries-old beliefs entrenched within the fabric of Judaism and Islam. The Temple Mount's contested nature not only involves religious significance, but also intertwines with political implications. The delicate balance required to address these multifaceted issues without causing unrest or triggering conflicts remains a formidable obstacle to the realization of reconstructing the Third Temple. The intricacies and sensitivities entwined within the location disputes and Islamic influence on the Temple Mount necessitate a nuanced and cautious approach towards any plans or discussions regarding the construction of the Third Temple. Respecting the diverse religious beliefs, historical narratives, and geopolitical sensitivities becomes paramount in navigating these intricate challenges. These complexities underscore the depth of historical heritage, religious reverence, and geopolitical implications embedded within the quest to rebuild the Third Temple. Now, before we go too far into the video, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. The construction of the Third Temple holds profound spiritual significance woven into the fabric of diverse religious beliefs, particularly in Judaism. At its core lies the notion of the Shekinah, signifying the divine presence or dwelling of God among the Jewish people. For Jews, the concept of Shekinah is not merely an abstract idea. It represents the radiance of God and his closeness to humanity. The aspiration to rebuild the Third Temple embodies the longing for the restoration of this divine presence, symbolizing a reconnection with the spiritual heritage of the past. Within Jewish traditions, rituals, and prayers, there's a deep yearning to experience the Shekinah's nearness, believed to be incomplete without the physical manifestation through the Third Temple. Prophecies play a pivotal role in the anticipation and significance attributed to the Third Temple's construction. According to these beliefs, the arrival of the Messiah, a central figure in Jewish tradition, is intricately tied to the rebuilding of this sacred structure. The anticipation surrounding the Messiah's arrival is intertwined with the construction of the Third Temple, creating a sense of fervor and urgency among believers. The prophecy regarding the Messiah's association with the Third Temple sparks a collective yearning within the Jewish community, fostering attempts and discussions aimed at facilitating its construction. This spiritual anticipation transcends a mere physical reconstruction. It symbolizes a heralding of a new era, an age of redemption and spiritual fulfillment. The spiritual significance attached to the Third Temple echoes across generations, drawing from the rich tapestry of Jewish heritage, customs, and beliefs. It represents the pinnacle of a profound spiritual quest, where the divine presence is not just a theological concept, but a tangible, deeply sought-after reality. The significance of the Third Temple is not confined solely to religious doctrines. It resonates as a unifying symbol among believers, fostering a collective hope and anticipation for a future where divine presence is restored among the Jewish people. It embodies the essence of spiritual longing and faith, weaving together the promises of prophecies and the yearnings of a community eager to embrace the fulfillment of ancient promises. Recent archaeological excavations in Jerusalem have unveiled compelling discoveries that significantly reshape our understanding of the city's historical and biblical context. Among these finds, the revelation of the Pool of Siloam stands out as a poignant testament to the rich tapestry of ancient temple worship and ritual significance. The unearthing of the Pool of Siloam during ongoing excavations has emerged as a pivotal discovery, shedding new light on Jerusalem's historical landscape. This ancient pool, mentioned in the New Testament's Gospel of John, holds immense archaeological and historical significance. Its discovery has not only provided valuable insights into the city's ancient water supply system, but has also confirmed its authenticity, dating back to the Second Temple period. The Pool of Siloam holds special importance in ancient temple worship practices, particularly during significant festivals like Sukkot. It served as a focal point for ritual purification and ceremonial activities, playing a pivotal role in the religious customs observed during these sacred occasions. During the annual Feast of Tabernacles known as Sukkot, the Pool of Siloam held particular prominence. Water drawn from this revered pool was used in the water libation ceremony, a symbolic ritual performed in the temple. This act symbolized God's provision of water during the Israelites' wilderness wanderings and held profound spiritual significance in Jewish tradition. The archaeological discoveries surrounding the Pool of Siloam not only provide insights into the historical and biblical context of ancient Jerusalem, but also validate its role in the religious practices of the time. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.